So I've never done an unboxing video, but I couldn't find one for the Arri kit that people sell on eBay. I ordered this kit on May 28th. It arrived on June 2nd. And I have no idea how that happened because it was coming from China and got here in 5 days with a weekend in there also. So I don't know if somebody's order got dropped and they sent me theirs. I don't know what happened, but it got here crazy quick, and I'll put the seller's name up on the screen if you want to see that. It was like UVSION, but I'll confirm that in a minute when I get back to my computer. Anyway, blah blah blah, people talk forever on these things. Let's just open it up. The case is decent. It has wheels and it's semi-heavy duty, but I don't think after a lot of shoots it's going to last. Just from rolling it from my office to my place. Barn door. Barn door. Barn door. And I got the 4-light kit, the 1000 watt, the 650 watt, the 300 watt, and the 150. Foam. Instructions. Foam, 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 foam. Gels. Did not know they were coming with some gels. Nice little bonus. Stands. I've been kind of curious how good these stands are going to be. So let's take a look. Well, actually, not too shabby. They're no Arri stand, but actually better than I expected. Okay. Now, the big part, let's take a look at the light. I guess this takes longer than I thought. Sorry. Looks like it made it in one piece. This is the 1000. Actually, looks really good. Better than I thought it would, really. And they have an Arri sticker on there. That is quite interesting because I don't think most people would know the difference now that they're blatantly ripping off Arri with a sticker. You can't see the detail. The sticker's not great, but they're obviously trying to pass it off as a Arri light, which, okay, I guess that works. I saw another person who had one, and there's like some markings and edge work that's not so great, and these kind of have that same thing. There's a little, I know you probably can't see it, but there's a little scrape in there, but overall really heavy duty, way more than I thought it would be. It's kind of impressive, actually. There's supposed to be some dimmers. Hopefully there are, because it's not on that plug. It's like the 150. Doesn't have the Arri sticker on it. Let's, okay. This looks like a dimmer. Wrapped in really crappy bubble wrap, but you know, I don't know what they're going for right now, but I got my kit for 588 bucks shipped, which if the kit is any kind of indicator on quality, probably gonna be worth it. Yeah, okay, so here's a dimmer. And plastic. Doesn't feel extremely heavy duty, but not bad. The dimmer control is pretty solid, it feels like. So, okay, moving on. Another dimmer. Another dimmer, another dimmer. Now this is the 150. This one was the 300. This one is the 150. And it's kind of got some wear and tear on the ring. It's a little rusted. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't feel quite as good as the others, but it doesn't feel bad either. So I guess that's okay. Not too shabby. And this is 650. Looks like the others. Fine detail work, definitely not there, but they're really, I'm really surprised at the build quality. They're heavy duty. It feels like an Arri light. The weight feels the same. I think there's some shortcomings on the clamps, but again, for 588 bucks, it seems pretty reasonable. Here's the little 150 barn door. That's kind of loose, but it can probably be tightened. Let's look at a bigger barn door. I'm going to get into it. Again, a little scratch here and there. And I think for the most part these will stay in place for a while. So, you know, they don't feel quite as snuggy, if that's a word, as a true Arri kit barn door, but not bad. Bulb looks crushed, so that could be an issue. The bulb looks like it's okay, but the box is crushed. So that's the 1000 watt. lamp, and another stand, and another stand. So, I might do another video on how they actually set up and look, but a lot of people have done that. I just wanted to do an unboxing video and see what I got for my money, and hopefully, you know, this helps you make your decision. I think for under 600 bucks, 4 lights, as long as they all work and look good and dimmers work, the stands are decent, and the barn doors are okay. I think it's a pretty good deal. Thanks for watching.